Howdy y'all, we're back on the boat. Today, I'll show you guys the boat actually running properly. So the marina fixed out the problem with that engine down there, the 7.4 liter Mer Cruiser. So it turns out, well, let's see, I don't really want to edit this video, but basically what it is inside the distributor on there, there's like a spinning metal thing underneath the cap, and it was for a V6 and not a V8. Mer Cruiser packaged it improperly, and apparently it happens really frequently, but the tech that worked on my boat just hadn't came across that before, so wasn't aware of that. So that was fixed. Like they swapped that out like the next day, like boom, like the thing was running like a top. It was getting a little bit warm here. You can see on the the temp gauge right now we're right in the middle, which is right around where we should be. Just came from the marina back there, and I was on plane the whole time. I was like at like I don't know 5,100 RPM, just screaming, not quite full throttle, but going pretty damn good. And yeah, it was pretty much stayed right at there because I had them change out the impeller, and like apparently a hose came off down there, so they replaced a hose. So that's cool. I'm sure a lot of the hose on this boat are, if not original, probably pretty old, and rubber just kind of gets old after a while. Anyways, yeah, so we are rocking 894 hours at this point, and got a little speaker here because the radio inside there, right there, it's still giving me a little bit of trouble, so I just kind of turned it off for now. If I crank up the speakers a little bit too much, it poops out. So I don't know. It's probably like I don't know. Honestly, what would be best if I ran like a power cable like straight from the battery to this thing, because it doesn't use like a remote way or anything. If I just put like an inline fuse and ran that, it'd probably just be honestly a pretty good solution for that. And I need to do that anyway because eventually I want to put a subwoofer somewhere around here, maybe like in this little area or something. I don't really know, but yeah, for now I'm just using this little speaker, which I could make a review for. I got this thing like pretty cheap on Amazon used, and it's pretty good honestly. But anyways, without further ado, let's check out the boat. Let's give it a little bit of gas and take you guys down the lake. Back it off right here. Need to clean up all that beer now. But yeah, I don't really know what this guy with the wakeboard boat's doing, so I'm just gonna back it off right here. But yeah, so it's obviously running a lot better now, and pretty damn cool. So I guess I need to just get his weight. I don't know what the hell, like, go off to the side if you're gonna wakeboard or something. Come on, man. That boat is a lot more expensive than this thing, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, so then I get off the throttle a little bit, and it cranks up a little bit to just a little bit of that, but that makes sense. There's a little bit less water running through the engine, and they're just, going pretty fast there. But, man, I would not want a wakeboard boat. I'd much prefer this thing. I got this boat for literally pennies compared to that wakeboard boat over there. So, yeah. anyways, I'll finish up the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a good day. I'll try to make a couple more videos later on with this boat. So see you guys then. Hopefully a day when it's actually sunny.